Crafting engaging AI content for profit. Tips for channel growth. Summary. This video explores essential strategies for producing captivating artificial intelligence, AI content that not only attracts viewers, but also imparts valuable insights. The focus is on maximizing online earnings and encouraging channel subscriptions. Know your audience. Understand the demographics and interests of your audience to tailor AI content to their preferences, ensuring relevance and engagement. Visual appeal matters. Enhance your content with visually stimulating elements such as graphics and animations to boost engagement and retention. Simplify complex concepts. Break down intricate AI concepts into easily digestible segments, making your content accessible to viewers with varying levels of expertise. Impactful storytelling. Craft narratives around AI topics, sharing real-world applications, success stories, or challenges to create a connection with your audience. Consistent content updates. Maintain a regular content schedule to keep your audience engaged and foster channel growth over time. Encourage audience interaction. Build a sense of community by actively encouraging comments, questions, and discussions, creating a dynamic environment on your channel. Leverage SEO strategies. Optimize video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve discoverability and reach a broader audience. Diversify monetization. Explore various monetization avenues, including ad revenue and affiliate marketing, to enhance the financial success of your AI-focused channel. In conclusion, crafting engaging AI content is not just about views, but about building a community and generating income. These tips aim to create content that educates, entertains, and encourages viewers to subscribe for more insights into the world of artificial intelligence.